Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday with TSN. Today, we're diving into how you can quickly filter content and find exactly what you need. First, head to the Content module in your TSN platform. Then click Upload Content. Next, select Use Library and choose Global on the left side to access our wide variety of ever-expanding content. Here you can sort content by library or tags. To filter, click on the drop-down. Select the topics that match your content needs by simply checking the boxes. After you've made your selections, click Apply. And just like that, your global library is now filtered, showing you only the content that fits your criteria. To add content to your library, check the content in the upper left corner. Select up to 10 pieces of content, then click Done to close the dialog box. Add to screens, then click Done. Thanks for tuning in.